guys, nag-prepare kami ni Daddy ng celebration for you because we love you so much.
Paglaki, ma-appreciate mo na may ganito palang grabing celebration para sa'yo.
Of course, for our birthday celebrate together with Mami and Ramos, Daddy Daryl Ramos. Put your hands together for Dylan!
It's a good, good life. Yeah, it feels alright.
Deserve mo to kasi sobrang binago mo yung buhay ng Mami Ann and Daddy Di mo. 365 days na tayo magkasama. Talagang pinaikot mo yung buhay namin.
Hindi ka talaga naging pasaway, hindi mo kami pinahirapan. And you know na you're our blessing and our most precious gift. So, we love you so much, anak. Ang wish lang namin talaga, good health, and lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos, and syempre mabait sa magulang, mabait sa tao.
Be okay. It's a good, good life.
Love you, Dina. And happy birthday mo, Chucho.
Yeah, it feels alright. It's a good, good life.
Maraming pagkukulang minsan si Daddy, pero laging gagawin ni Daddy na present sa sa lahat ng first sa buhay mo. Excited kami sa paglaki mo at excited kami na mapanood mo to.
You're all that I see. It's a good, good life. It's a good, good life. It's a good, good life. Yeah, it feels alright. It's a good, good life.
Happy, happy birthday, baby D! We love you so much. Mwah!
Uminto ka na, wala na nga music eh. Gusto ko na eh! O sige, kapag hindi ka uminto, hindi tayo kakain. Wow! Bakit? Ang dami! Anong marami? Ang daming unggoy!
I wanna stand a little bit taller. Got my head in the clouds. I'm lost in the sound. I won't look back, no, I'll stare down the sun. Gonna stand my ground till the good days come.